Good day, everyone. The topic that we're going to discuss is all about direct method. So, what is direct method? Direct method is a method of teaching language directly, establishing a direct or immediate association between experience and expression, between the English word, phrase, or idiom and its meaning through demonstration, dramatization without the use of the mother tongue. Indirect because meaning should be connected directly with the target language without translation into native language. Direct method, sometimes called natural method, not limited but often used in teaching foreign language. So, there are some basic principles of direct method. Number one is classroom instruction is conducted exclusively in the target language. Here, the teacher should demonstrate, not explain or translate. Number two, only everyday vocabulary and sentences are taught. It means that the basic vocabulary is given first. 3. Grammar is taught inductively. It means that do not give rules to the students. Let the students figure out the rules. Number 4. New teaching points are introduced orally. It means that it is orally transmission. Number 5. Correct pronunciation and grammar are emphasized. Number 6. Both speech and listening comprehension is taught. Number 7. The teacher asks the students to make choice, gets him to correct his own error. It means that learning by self-correction.
Number 8. Students should be speaking at least 89% of the time during the lesson. Number 9. Students are taught from inception to ask questions as well as answer them. It means that the student have rights to ask questions before or during discussion, to know what they want to learn and what they need to learn. The strategies for teaching using direct methods. Number 1. Question and answer exercise. Teacher asks student using target language and student answer in full sentences. Number 2. Reading aloud. Student read sections of passage, plays, or dialogues out loud. And number 3. Dictation. Teacher reads passage aloud various amount of times at various tempos, student writing down what they hear. Number 4, students self-correct. The teacher facilitate opportunities for a student to self-correct using follow-up questions, tone, etc. Number 5, paragraph writing. A student write paragraphs in their own word using the target language and various models. Number 6, conversation practice. Teacher asks the student and student asks student questions using the target language. Number 7, fill in the blank exercise. Item use target language only and inductive rather than explicit grammar rules. So now, let we go to the advantages and disadvantages of direct method. Let me go first to the advantage. Students are encouraged and motivated to use L2 or language 2 spontaneously. Its emphasis on speech made it more attractive for those who have needs of real communication in the target language. It make learning process interesting and fun because direct method encourage using realia during learning process. And the last, students are able to understand what they learn. It focus on meaning, not the rules. Now, this is the disadvantage of direct method. Lack of teachers that interested in using direct method. Not many teachers creative to create their own materials. Direct method ignores written work and reading activities and sufficient attention is not paid to reading and writing skills. And in large class, direct method is not properly applied, not satisfy that need of individuals. The last, direct method is not suitable for public schools because it is costly. Realia visual materials.